Well, hi. Welcome back to the garden. Happy 4th of July. Thanks for stopping by. You know what you do on the 4th of July? You plant. The Old Farmer's Almanac said root crops today, do not plant the 5th through the 7th, they'll rot. So we got something to put in the ground. Think we're going to do some beets? Obviously. Do you ever hear anybody say you can't have too many beets? Some parsnips and some more potatoes. Got that to show you here in a minute. It's 72 degrees on a July morning. We're going to go ahead and work in the garden for a little bit. There you go. String beans on a trellis. Take a look at this. The original seed potatoes that we took up. We cut into them. You can't eat them. They're too green. But they're chitting. They're putting on eyes. They're putting on roots. We're going to go ahead and plant these. Farmer's Almanac said root crops on the 4th of July. Do not plant the 5th through the 7th or they'll rot. They're going in the ground. Root crops in. Oh, that feels like we're ready to see what we get. Now that's a carrot. That's these Japanese dark carrots. Purple. I think that's okay. Let's see if we got anything else that needs to go into the house. Oh my goodness. I guess if they start rooting a little bit, they're ready to come up. That is gorgeous. Look at that. I got so excited pulling carrots, I forgot to hit the record button. I apologize. I think this is one of our best carrot harvests. Get a few more beets in here. Well, we just took these carrots out. Pat them in. Make sure you got good soil contact. Spread the soil over them a little bit. We'll see what we get. I don't know if we're going to get any more cauliflower out of these two, but we're going to put some beets next to them. 4th of July cauliflower. I still need to rinse it off a little bit. But I can't believe it. Leave a comment down below if you know what I did right or wrong. We're just going to put some more beets next to them. We never have tried parsnips, so we'll give them a try. It says these only take 100 days. We'll see. We got plenty of time. We'll see if we get any parsnips.
There's nothing in the world that I like better than making me a sandwich with some homegrown tomatoes.
Or these tomato leaves. I'm cutting, each cut is bigger than most of the entire amount of tomatoes we planted. This thing was, you get 6 days of rain, it turns into a jungle.
I'm up in the morning, out in the garden. I pick me a ripe one, don't pick a hard one.
Alright, I think that cleans that up pretty good. A little bit. Well, you gotta keep an eye though. As you're going through, suckers are there. Now there's a couple of these suckers that were big enough and have fruit set on them already that we went ahead, combined them, and wrapped them in with the parent You can be creative with your trellising. You could add another string if you wanted to, and I think we're going to have to in a spot or two. When the weather makes it so it gets out of hand, it gets out of hand. And it gets out of hand pretty quick. I want to thank you for stopping by the garden on this 4th of July for a few minutes of work. The Old Farmer's Almanac said do not plant tomorrow through the 7th. Get your root crops in today. So we got potatoes, beets, parsnips. We did a little pruning and trellising. Dug a couple carrots. We had a pretty good day in the garden. Tomorrow, I got to figure out some way to trellis up the cowpeas. And I do want to thank you for spending a few minutes of your 4th of July with us. And until next time, take care of yourself, take care of your family, and God bless you. Come on, let's plant.
Let's go plant garden.